This is the bike here. It has a Briggs & Stratton engine. I kind of chopped up the bike frame to make it work. That engine is a 3 horsepower Briggs & Stratton. I think I just said that, didn't I? Yeah, I also put on a clutch onto that to make it work. That clutch powers a chain that goes to a sprocket I put on the back tire. That back tire looks like this. See the pegs too? That back tire is also powered by the engine. Here's some new ideas and other crazy implementations. Here we have a little sprocket deal that tightens the chain. And this is the brake that is now the throttle, and I put a spring onto that. Here's the carburetor. Some people don't know what that does. I don't either. And this is a little fix job I did. Wow. This is me, yours truly. Look at me, I think I was so cool riding my bike down the hill. Yeah, kicking off, it's a motorbike. I start up my bike. Careful now. Yeah, it worked! You got me moving! You got me moving. Bye-bye. This is true. I can't believe I did that. That makes me feel so dumb. Oh, yes, we did put gasoline in the tank. Oh, test number 2. Oh, I got my little assistant here. He's a little lighter, and I want to see how fast the bike can go. Let's see. Careful now. Easy, whoa! Hey, not bad. So in this test he got up to about 23 miles an hour. Right now, if the bike blew up and went all up in smoke, I would still consider it a success because I've never made a motorbike before, and hey, it is riding. I even risked my life riding alongside him holding the camera once. I just need to get that. Yikes!
Chain off.
Oh, not again! Kidding me. Well, everybody, this has been Bob Williams. Hope you come back for some more updates. We'll be driving it in the woods next time.